Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over, is Temu worth it? Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are on the fence about whether or not using Temu is the right choice. Now to simply put, I've been using Temu for a couple months now, and I must say that Temu actually does excel when it comes to very simple use case items. So I'll give you a few examples based on items that I've ordered, but if you think about very simple use case items and not complex items like a TV, laptop, mobile device, or tablet, Temu really does the good job. Like it does a really good job at actually getting these items. So with Temu, I mean, if you browse through these right here, like how wrong can you go with a microfiber car towel? How wrong can you go with a dog bed, right? So very simple use case items is what Temu excels at. And I'd say Temu is definitely worth it. Like their prices are definitely a lot less compared to actually Amazon, for example. It's really a lot less. And so with it, Temu has been absolutely phenomenal for me. Again, think about very simple use case items, not super complex items, and you'll have a good time with Temu. With Temu, I'd say the delivery times are another kind of negative thing about it. It does take quite some time to get delivered to you, but if you're in no rush, like for example, I recently bought like garage floors and I didn't need them now. If it came whenever, that's fine. Likewise with dog clothes. It's fine if they take some time to be delivered. I have no problem with that. So with that being said, guys, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.